Have you heard the term of house hacking? In other words, becoming a landlord? Here are some pros and cons of becoming a landlord. Here are the pros and reasons it may be for you. You can write off many of the expenses of maintaining and repairing the home as business expenses. The net cash flow earned from your rent after expenses can supplement your retirement income or other financial goals. The rent collected can offset the mortgage, repair costs, and expenses to run the home while you earn the home's appreciation. You don't have to pay Social Security taxes on your rental income. Real estate isn't as risky as the stock market and often reacts opposite to the market, helping you to diversify. And here are the cons, reasons it may not work for you. You never know what type of tenant you're getting, if they'll be destructive, or if they'll default on the rent. You must follow through a lease, even if you need to sell the house fast to liquidate your investment. It's a lot of work maintaining and running a house. Anytime something goes wrong, you're responsible. If you invest long distance, you have to pay a property management company, which can be expensive, and there's no guarantee your investment will appreciate. Hopefully the pros and cons list will help you decide on whether you want to become a landlord, house hacking, or not.